please do remember that the major organic component of the urine is urea, and we can do that by using the UR of urea and just add the ganic. Okay, organic. Okay, organic. Okay, and then the inorganic component of the urine is chloride, and the letter I of chloride, we can add the norganic na word para ma-spell out natin yung inorganic chloride. Okay? Now, if you will say na, paano po yung sodium may letter I, then paano po ako hindi malilito na sodium ang isagot? Maybe you can just tell yourself na si chloride may I, si inorganic may I, at si chloride may R, at yung inorganic may R din. So that's what's different between chloride and sodium, no? Para lang meron kang pang-differentiate kung chloride ba or sodium 'pag nalito ka, okay? Maybe you can use that. So one more time, major organic is organic as in urea, and major inorganic is chloride with letter I and letter R, inorganic, chloride versus sodium na sumunod lang sa level ni chloride sa ating urine. Although, when you add them together, no, maging sodium chloride siya, this becomes the principal salt in the urine. Okay, principal salt in the urine. Okay, I hope that helps.